In this short video, I'm going to show you some examples how to use the custom AI Chrome extension creator, which creates no-code AI Chrome extensions in under 10 seconds. I know other people sell no-code solutions in under half an hour, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, but no one's ever said 10 seconds, and that's what makes us different from everyone else. Additionally, this tool is just one of the tools that we have in our membership, which includes basically all of the tools. We also have image generation, text generation, ChatGPT 4, etc. But let's get right into the example. To get started, you download the Chrome extension maker now, and then you will end up with an app which looks something like this up here. And whenever you click this app, it will automatically run the Chrome extension and will start doing whatever tools you have created. So for this example, I'm going to show you some of my tools which I've created, but really the sky's the limit. It depends on your specific case, what you need it for. So I've made a summarizer to answer my, and another tool called Answer My Emails, rewrite text professionally, but really the sky is the limit with this. And the amazing part of this is that it works in Chrome. So for example, if I go to my email app right here and I see a long email that I need to summarize because I just don't want to read the whole thing. So of course, I'm going to click on the Chrome extension and then it will automatically do what I've asked it to do. So in this case, I've asked it to, let's ask it to summarize. And then when I click summarize, it will of course summarize this email into a very short email. If I want to then respond to this email, I just click respond and then it will then respond it to the email and then I'll get a response. Here's a response, and interestingly enough, it actually has my name at the bottom, and let me show you how I did that. But let me just copy this response if I want to and then close this. So the way to do this is to create a new Chrome extension, and the way to do this by pressing this button here, and then you can create any type of extension you want. Let me show you one of the ones I made already. Respond to this email. Please respond with empathy to the email that has come in. My name is Daniel, and then I'll also write my phone number is, just for example, and then I'm going to save this as a new extension. And now the idea is that, and the main functionality is the automation options right at the bottom of this. If you want this to be automatically, to occur automatically, you just click on automation options and then click on load on click of extension. And what that means is that it responds to the email will load when the page loads, specifically for this page here. If you want it to work on every email, all you need to do is delete this text, which is the custom information, delete that and click save, and then it will run on every email. So I just did that now just for the example, and I'm going to reload the page just to show you how this works. I'm going to highlight this email now in full, and then I'm going to click on the extension, and I want to see if the prompt I wrote will automatically be answered or not. And here we go. It was automatically answered. I did nothing. I just clicked the extension and I have a response. Now all I need to do is copy it here and then click reply, and I finished. It's as simple as that. Unbelievable. You can imagine the potential of an app like this. When you think about it, this is absolutely incredible, because what it lets you do, it lets you create instant AI Chrome extensions that will immediately do what you need them to do when you click on the Chrome extensions. You don't need to pay any programmer. You don't need to pay any developer. All you need to do is click new Chrome extension, give it a name, for example, translate it to Spanish, and then let the prompt be the same, the text provided. This is just an example case. Create your translate to Spanish. Now we have this here. You can either write something in this box and click translate to Spanish, so you have that situation here, or you can automate it so that whenever you highlight some text and then click the extension, it will automatically do the translation of Spanish of the text that it's highlighted. It's just as simple as that. It will do the work for you instantly without you having to click anything. This was Daniel from Generate.net. As I said at the beginning, Generate is a bunch of apps. This is just one of them. And we always love to give our clients the power to do what they want with our tools, which basically means that you'll be able to control and decide what kind of apps you want in your specific Chrome extension. So this video is now showing you how to make Chrome extensions in under 10 seconds, which are powered by AI, which work on click. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.